Hi, in this chapter we are going to learn about maps and weak maps. So maps and weak maps are new data structure that are introduced in ES6. They are similar to the object. But the main feature of map is that we can have object as keys. So let us go to JSBin and understand one thing first. JavaScript and console I'll open. So there is a problem with object. Let me tell the problem with object first, then we will see what are maps and we'll also see how maps solve this problem. So first thing we'll see is a problem with object. So const, suppose there is an object x like this and there is another object a. So x is our main object, so x a equal to this is value. So what we are making a as a key of the object x. Okay, if x is very difficult to understand, let me write obj here, obj. So see, this a is just a key and the value is, this is a value. So let me do now console.log of obj and console.log of obj a. So I will also open my console because one thing I found out in this JSBin console, it is not coming good. This object comes, which seems a bit bad. So we will see at both the places. So this is a simple thing and this will not give us any issue. See, that I was telling, this comes like this and this is much better. So first issue is that it is showing it as object. Okay, and but there is another bigger issue and I will show that. The bigger issue is that let us add another object. Let me differentiate it like this. Now what we will do, see, this is first key value pair. Now I will add another key value pair, obj b. So this is the method in which we add key value pair to an object. So this is latest value and we remove this and let me clear this, and let me run now. So I have two key value pairs, one is a and one is b, so it should show both of them. But see, it is only showing this one. This is the latest value. This is because in object, what happens when you have a object as a key, it overrides the earlier key if it is there. So this is one of the problem with object. So one of the use of map is to overcome this. But map is very powerful if you consider it with object, means if you compare it with object, it is way too powerful than an object, because we will soon find out one more thing which I want to tell before moving forward. See, object, I think I have told earlier also, object, the prototype is so less, it doesn't have any method of a array. There are so many methods in array, and the special symbol.iterator. When you have a symbol.iterator in a prototype, it means that it is iterable. We can use the for loops in there, for loops, all these loops we can use. So let me open another JSBin here. And now we will see what are maps. const map obj, and we declare map by new map. Like this we declare a map, and then const a equal to const b equal to num and 1, to c equal to, let it be 2. Now map obj. So this is how we add a value in a map. See, in object we do it by this way, and there is another way, dot representation, obj dot a also we can do, but in a map we can only do it by the set method, set. So the first one will be key, value of a b, value of b. So see, the key is this whole thing, and the value is this. So key can be an object also in a map, and it can be vice versa also. I will show that. C is key, and we will use the C here. So C is key. This is just a string. This string is the key, and this is the value. Now console.log map obj, and I will open my console again, because this you will be able to see much better in the console of the web browser than in the JS bin. So let me run it. See, it is not even showing it properly, but see here, a map, it is containing this 3 entries, size is 3, and the first entry is object and value of a. Second is this object num. So first value this a, empty object, this second is this, and the third is c is key. So it is showing perfectly, and I will show one more thing, one more important thing. See, it have symbol.iterator also. That means we can iterate over it. So we will now iterate over it through for of loop. So through for of loop we will iterate over it. Let me make some space. For let key of map obj dot keys console.log key. So this is a simple for loop in which we can get the keys. So nothing fancy. So if you don't know what is a for loop, you can Google it, and it's a new kind of loop, this for loop. So let me run it. See, this first one is coming from this. Now this for loop, so it is going through, it will give us all the keys. So the first key is A, second key is B, and third key is C. So A is this object, B is this, and C is this. Similarly, we can get the value also. Map dot values. Let me comment this out. Let me run it, and value. See, the value is coming now. See, which is value. First value is this, second value is this, third value is C, this. And if you want both of them, we can do the entries also, but as it returns an array, we will do a destructuring on the fly, key comma value of, we have to give entries. See, this is not related to map, this is related to for loop only. Key comma give something comma value, and let me clear it, let me delete it, and let me run it now. So we are getting the complete key and value, key and value, key and value. So there is one more thing which I want to tell. We remove this now. There is another thing. If you want to delete something in a map, how do we delete it? We can delete it with the delete keyword. Map dot delete is there, and then we just have to pass up what we want to delete. We want to delete this. So let me have a console.log above there, and let me have a console.log here. Let me clear it, and let me run it. The first one is having this, and the second one, this whole is deleted because we have passed this. So this is how maps are. So the next things we are going to see is weak map. So weak map are just like map only, but they around garbage collector to collect to hold a reference to the weak reference. So if you delete something, it actually gets deleted. And there is another thing which you will learn, that weak map only allows object at keys, and they are not iterable. So object at keys, as we have seen in this example, we can pass anything as key. See, these two were object, but this was a string, and we can pass anything. We can use it as a normal object also. Means map is enhanced version of objects only, so we can use it as a normal object also. But in weak map, that is not possible. So let me do one thing, another JSFin, and open CSS, not CSS, JavaScript console. I'll open output, and this I don't want. And now we'll look into map, but for that let us look into both of them. K1 equal to A1, K2 equal to B2, var map equal to new map, or weak map equal to, see, the weak map we do it by weak map, like we, not wheel map, weak, M is again capital, weak map. So we declare it like this, and both of them we pass it with like this, map.set, and weak map also we will pass it like that only. K1 value weak map dot set K2 comma K2 value. And now what we are going to do, we are going to make K1 equal to null. So we are effectively deleting it. But now let us check what is there in a map, what is remaining in the map. So see, we can do a for each loop also. Just we have done a for all loop, we can do it, they're iterable, so we can do that. Function val key. So we had done K1 equal to null, so it should have removed that. We'll soon see it doesn't remove it, because it is there still in the memory. So Let me write the complete code. K2 equal to null and console.log. Yeah, and one more thing, in weak map we cannot do a for each because they're not readable. So it is another method. This one is available in maps also. This is known as get method. Get key2 and directly get it, like it is like the send method. We have the get method also. So let me clear it. Let me again inspect console, clear, and let me run. See, we still have that value, k1 value, we still have that, but this is undefined. This is undefined because it get instantly deleted from the memory. The garbage collection was done at that moment only. So this is the one of the benefit of weak map. And another benefit or another feature of weak map is that weak maps allows only object. So let me do one thing. Let me remove this. Let me clear this. And how weak map allows only object? You will see const w equal to new weak map, and then w dot set. It's just directly setting a string, so we are not giving any object, just this is a string, and we are setting just a value. The value, oh, I gave it wrong. It is not like this, it is a comma. Okay, so like this, and even not console logging it, and see, it gave me the error that it is not allowed. Even I can show it here. Yeah, type error. Weak map key must, it gave it also what is that, a weak map key must be an object got an string. So this is the issue. Let me quickly change it. Yeah, it is working. Right, console.log of w, and it is working fine. So this completes our chapter on maps and weak map. See you soon in the next chapter.